Our priorities are delivery, validation through real cases, and getting knowledge into people's hands. In the first year, eThink worked on validating building stock data through metered data analysis, essentially making sure that the information we are using is actually reliable. We started designing the forecasting service with our partners, mapping out how we will project energy performance and decarbonization scenarios. Another major effort went into the financial service design, making sure that it will connect properly with real data. And we also kicked off the mapping of financing schemes available across the 10 European member states selected in the project. That means cataloging everything from public subsidies and tax rebates to private loan options. It's been very much a foundation building year, setting up what we will deliver in years 2 and 3. Well, from what we are seeing so far, it's really about combining different types of support. Direct grants and subsidies help with that big upfront cost barrier, while soft loans with good terms make projects more affordable overall. Green mortgages are looking promising too. They tie better financing terms to energy improvements in buildings. What is really interesting is that instruments from big institutions like the EIB, the European Investment Bank, that reduce investment risk, seem crucial for scaling things up. But here's the thing. We're finding that simpler is often better. The most elegant financing scheme in the world won't help if people can't understand it or don't even know it exists, And that's why we are focused on making the financial service intuitive, so it can help guiding users to the right options for their specific situation. Well, honestly, the chaos. We knew financing schemes would vary across countries, but we didn't expect such a wide fragmentation even within countries. Regional programs, local initiatives, different eligibility criteria everywhere. It's a jungle. It's incredibly complex, even for us as researchers, and that was a real eye-opener. It immediately changed how we approached the mapping work. We realized we couldn't just focus on national schemes, we needed to capture regional and local options too, wherever possible. It also made us much more aware that the financial service can't just be a database, it needs a smart filtering and guidance. Otherwise, we're just adding to the confusion rather than solving it. This complexity actually validates why ReLIFE is so needed. Well, first we need to finish mapping financing schemes across all the 10 countries that are selected, and that is due by March next year, and it will feed into everything else. But then it's about bringing the financial service to life, making sure it actually works in the platform in a year's time. We'll be setting up the wiki starting at the end of this year, which becomes the knowledge hub for everything we are building. But honestly, what I will focus on is mostly the capacity building work, starting in the second half of the project. The training events, the workshop, and helping people actually use these tools. Because you can build the best platform in the world, but if stakeholders don't know how to use it or don't trust it, your impact remains negligible. So our priorities are delivery, validation through real cases, and getting knowledge into people's hands. There are several ways to engage right now. Banks can become demonstration partners, testing the financial service when it's ready to improve their own risk assessment and product offering. Then cities can participate as case study partners, preparing to use the platform for identifying where renovations are most needed. Building owners who are planning deep renovations in their properties will be able to test the services as they roll out and give us feedback. What I'd say is the most valuable is if you can share what barriers you're facing, what information you're missing, and what would actually help you make decisions. Just contact the ReLIFE Consortium through our website and we will find the right way to support you.